security law.
The Kajiado Residents Association has stepped up efforts to strengthen security across the county through the flagship Usalama Mtaani initiative, a community-led program designed to foster trust, enhance collaboration, and promote joint action between the residents and government security agencies. The security dialogue, attended by Kajiado County Commissioner Michael Yator, security officials, community leaders, and residents, provided a platform for stakeholders to deliberate on emerging security challenges and chart a collective path towards a safer Kajiado. Addressing the gathering, CARA Chairman Francis Parsimei underscored the importance of community participation in maintaining law and order.
Mambo ya waste disposal, because hii mambo yote tunataja ambayo inaleta hizo mashida zote inatokana na manyumbani, na manyumbani ni resident. So ndiposa tukasema Wakenya wana msemo ambao ni wa kawaida wa kusema there is nothing about us without us. So even the security, it cannot be without them. So we have to come in because it starts with us.
The whole idea is to make sure that we are talking about solutions. We are talking about working together, and we are building trust among the various actors in the security sector. So we want to see a situation where leaders of community are able to seamlessly engage with the government, the commissioner, the police, and everybody else to address issue of insecurity in Kajiado County. We want to make sure that they are able to sit down together, they're able to trust each other, and they're able to work together towards making sure that Kajiado County is safe and secure.
We want to find a common ground. Our vision for all of us is to have a secure county. We make Kajiado very secure for everybody, for business community, for our schools, for all the residents, for our pastoralists, everybody to feel secure in Kajiado County.
Residents of Githungushu village in